This is going to be a video tutorial on how to manage your email notifications on Facebook. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the Facebook app. To manage your email notifications on the Facebook app, the first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the little gear wheel in the upper right hand corner. Next, you want to tap on Profile Settings. And from here, you'll scroll down to the Notifications section, and right in here, Email. Manage your email notifications. You want to tap on that. It gives you three options to choose from. The first one, you'll receive all notifications except ones that you unsubscribe from. That means you receive a lot of emails. The middle one, you'll receive important notifications about you or activity you've missed. And the last one, only notifications about your account security and privacy. The last one, you'll receive very few emails. So you just choose one of those three. That is how you manage your email notifications on Facebook. Thanks for watching.